So we're in Bastei, which is a old castle in ruins. There's the castle over there, and there's a bridge. It's in the Switzerland Park.
Saxon Switzerland National Park.
Yeah,
in Germany. Not Switzerland though, we're nowhere near Switzerland. Yeah, it's really cool. So we've just been walking around and we're going to go across the bridge soon, and we'll be making snowballs. Trying to get to as big as my head so I can throw it at mine. It's really hard, I'm like compacted it.
Oh, that'll hurt lots.
I won't really throw it at you. I like my snowball.
The rock formation that this castle is built on is very much like Meteora in Greece. If you haven't seen that vlog, you can check that out on our channel too.
Someone draw a heart. I got sick of carrying my snowball, but I want to make a snowman out of it. So I put it in Myron's hood. It's like a little baby bag for the snowman.
I can feel the coldness slowly starting to seep.
No, you can't. It's fine.
I just noticed there's lots of little villages built on top of the hills. There's one here, one there, one there. I think there's another one over there as well. It's so cool. I guess it would have been made for defensive purposes back in the day.
Look at that creepy statue. It's like a Dementor or a witch or something.
It's got like angel wings kind of thing, or devil wings at the back. And then his hands are like...
His hands look creepy, that's why that was creepy. These are pretty narrow stairs.
Yeah, they're slippery.
That's slow. Mine was kind of slow.
You started it. There's retaliation. My little feet are getting pretty cold.
Your little feet?
Yeah.
You just don't have little feet.
Yeah. So you joke again?
Sometimes I put Martin's shoes on so I can feel like a clown.
Not very
The other day I had
nice.
to go put more money in the electricity box at a parking place. And his shoes were there, so I wore them and felt like a clown.
They're handy holes to hide your stuff.
So it's free to be in the national park, and it's free to walk around the ruins, but if you want to actually go into the castle ruins, it costs €2 per adult, €1 at the moment because there's construction work going on, so it's not all open, so they've discounted it, but the ticket office doesn't seem to be open today, and the gate's open, so I'm guessing it maybe is free because it's winter. I'm not really sure, or maybe we're going to get to another gate and it's not actually going to be open.
It's a catapult. It would have been used to fling objects up to 50 kgs and up to 50 to 70 meters away. That would have been quite handy when you're up the top of a mountain. You can see down here that some people have cut into the rock. We would have put like a 100mm by 100mm piece of wood in that way, and then it would make a little platform across here. because underneath here is a big hole.
Look, there's a tree on top of that rock over there.
There's the outdoor theatre down there. It's frozen ice. When you build your castle on top of a mountain, it means you got to make a lot of stairs to go up and down.
Thanks for watching our video. If you're new to our channel, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Myron.
And we travel around Europe full time in our self-built camper van, and we make 3 to 4 videos every week. So hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with our travels. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.